We are now inside, according to Obi Cubana. Ndị Igbo are inside. Inside again. Inside returning a president that is not fit. The one who fell in Turkey. Turkey president, they support him to come back. Yeah? You see what happened inside Turkey? The Turkey president tried to cover up. Can you imagine? When we're talking about this city boys movement, people did not understand something. They tell you, you have to come and cut from the center. Check and where which center self? Where would they tell ourselves the truth for this country? They say, come and cut from the center. Which center, Bikono? You know what it means? You heard what Very Dark Man said. A lot of us should be telling Tinubu, Oga, go and rest. You don't tire. Not only old people, they were going to rule this country. Let the youth participate. Let the people who are even, not just youth, even if they are elderly, at least they should have strength. Let them be the one that will come out. It's beginning to turn to what we see in Cameroon. An ancestor ruling them. They say city boy movement, Igbos will slash. Igbos will slash Guinea. Igbos will be inside Guinea. Make I tell Ona. I'll finish what I want to say at the end of this video. But let me give you a tip. Tinubu know the help on Igbo. The only people where then go help now these few people where they hustle for this movement. They go get some kind of cut. So I go tell you my position on Obi Cubana, chief priest, and the rest of them. Where I stand. Shebi we have power to opinion, at least opinion. Meanwhile, let's look at this inside, whether na real inclusion or na political strategy. Una welcome. Obi Cubana, popular businessman from Anambra State, has been appointed Southeast Coordinator of City Boy Movement. You already know about this. It's an old news, but why I'm bringing it up here? Because I want to say some things. Yes. So after his appointment, he made a bold statement. According to him, he said, the Southeast can never be sidelined anymore. He said, we are now inside. He said, the game is on. Inside. Madone no inside. For me, not only some few boys there inside. I don't know whether you all follow them. Some people say you all no follow. Soon if you follow, we know them. The set of these guys, these influencers where they do these things, where they join, where they city boys movement, you should already know their work from start. Now show business. And this kind of thing, election time, they are the ones they needed. Influencers, we go influence. No, they have right to their personal choices and opinions. I'm not trying to say they did wrong or right. I'm saying my own mind. As they have their own opinions, they made up their mind. It should be Tinubu. Me, I also made up my mind. Why are we talking about these people? Because they're already large. They have a massive following. That is why we are even talking about them. If not, everybody got his choice to make. But for the city boy movement, you see how I see it? Enugu, Nigeria, Chako. First of all, it is wrong from start. Trying to return somebody that should go and be resting. When we say the president should go and rest, we are doing him favor. Just that, some people see it as being in enmity. No, Tinubu should go and rest. So, Obi Cubana said, we Igbos, or this is an old deceptive line. We are inside. A lot of people are already, that particular statement has generated excitement for some. If you want to share money, if you have longer throat for money, maybe you join them. But the truth is that movement will not help us. It will help some few guys pump money into their account. After the election, nobody send you. Until we support Tinubu, we cannot get our fair share of this government. Is that what he's trying to say? Until we are inside Tinubu. We can be inside another political party now. We can be inside. And that is why we are asking, is this particular inside real inclusion? Inclusion into what? Or political positioning? Now, first of all, let's understand what happened. Obi Cubana is no longer just a businessman. It's no longer just, the common people observing politics from outside. He now holds an official coordinating role within the political movement aligned with the current national leadership. The only thing is that, yes, as at this point in time, the government of Tinubu holds the knife and the yam. Apart from that, so like I said earlier, when you look at influential figures enter this kind of role, that is why people raise eyebrows. That is why people are talking. And these guys are really growing. And you see a connection. Have you seen the connection? Hope Uzodinma is involved. Cubana chief priest. These people are business people. You understand? I don't want to say, I don't know how this will sound. What can you get from the Yoruba guy called Tinubu? We are getting our allocation, which is statutory, and other things. They're also taking VAT from our place. But what do you think you will get from Tinubu? Meanwhile, like I said, Hope Uzodinma is involved. Obi Cubana went to Hope Uzodinma to receive fatherly blessings. At the surface, some few guys here target. Government here continue to osi. Check every appointment of Tinubu. Check all his appointments. What about developmental projects? Don't be deceived, these guys. Don't be deceived by these people. You want to be inside Guinea. Inside Guinea, these guys you see are working for their own pockets. Now, at the end of the day, then go pay these guys. All of them go vanish. If you want to join them and share part of the money, we understand that this is what we are going to do. But unto say to cite better project for Southeast, who are you people deceiving? All of this is politics. Perhaps, okay, as we already know, in the past, there has never been a time Southeast is inside. So Obi Cubana go put us inside. Yes, the truth is that in the past until now, we are talking about marginalization. We are talking about representation at the federal level. We are talking about infrastructural development. We are talking about national appointment. Now, when someone says we are not inside, it looks as if, this is not the first time we have had that too, though the phrase is used in another way. According to them, being inside, we have access to decision making. We'll be close to power. Having Omahi, people like Omahi already with him, we are supposed to be close now. Why are we not close in this first term of Tinubu? What major project is Omahi doing in Southeast? Being inside, does it change the realities on the ground? Will the trader in area market feel that inclusion? What about graduates in Enugu? Opportunities for them? Will it reduce insecurity? Will they connect rail line throughout Southeast, connect it to other places in the country? What have they done about the pressure pipes? Have Tinubu corrected it? Pressure pipe that is even from our place, we have to beg them for pressure pipes to be in Southeast. We don't want language or coinage whatsoever. We want performance. That's what will sustain credibility. Don't be deceived by these city boys in Genewa. I'm not deceived. If you like, but I don't trust that. I don't trust that as being something that will help the Southeast. I only see it adding some few multi-millions and billions to some few people's account, and after all, they have settled those people. They will say, these are the people that work for us. They're no sendona. City boy Bakwako. Now, let's also look at the timing of this city boy thing. Remember, 2027 is around the corner. And political structures are reorganizing. So they had to come on time to mobilize the youths because they know what might happen. And probably election might be a little bit credible. Who knows? And Obi Cubana, already is followed by many youths. So that is why they contacted him and he contacted his fellow boys. Like I'm telling you, that is actually their work. They are influencers. Once money flows through them, they will make sure they convince you. They are telling you inside. After the election, you hear the story. If you want to join them, now you sabi. But I'm telling you, I don't trust that movement for Ndi Igbo. What is Tinubu's major project in Igbo land right now? At least. Don't tell me allocation, no. Because allocation is what every part of the country gets. After all, like I told you, they collect VAT, value added tax from our place. Apart from that, they collect resources from our place that are being traded to make money for this country. Yeah, some people will say that is a smart move politically. But strategy is not development. And that is a story that we already had several times. It's a common story. Federal presence increases, economic opportunities expand, appointment become balanced. Which appointment? And let me tell you even, you see this appointment, they will appoint people from Southeast to be this and that. Those people where then they appoint, now them and their family, and looking for something that will benefit a whole region. That is what the people are looking at. How you find Enanya? And that is why you see people are divided on this. Some say it is wise to engage rather than complain from outside. Engage, your attack, I engage well. Is it today that we started engaging? We are not isolating ourselves, no. We are not isolating ourselves. Some people are going with it, but people like me, I'm not deceived. Unless they give me money, I collect money, and he gonna say, I collect money to support these people. The reality be say, that particular city boy movement will not help us. So some people are actually feeling, I've seen a lot of posts, some people are feeling disappointed in Obi Cubana. They expected him to remain neutral or independent. But I will not criticize him. I'm only criticizing the movement. And I'm only telling people, don't be deceived. Obi Cubana has the right to continue to make his money through social media, whatsoever. That is how they make their money. So I'm not really against him. I'm against the movement. Then anything with inside the movement, I see him as former deception again, in another color, rebranded deception. Them, I know say then go day favor, then go bring out money. Concerning working for Tinubu's son, let me tell you something. Yes, Tinubu's son is a young guy. He called Obi Cubana to work for him. Yes. Tinubu's son, remember his status in the society? By reason of his father being president, he's somehow the president. Tinubu's son, as you see him, has a contribution in how Nigeria is currently run. He is his father. So don't see that as that Obi Cubana had come so low, working for a small boy. No, not be small boy for politics. So as far as we know for this country, the guy, they granted. And some of these guys too, these influencers, Obi Cubana, who had made some big statements in the society, some of these guys, they are under pressure too. Yes. If you say you know go work, they fit target your government. Government knows how to get anybody, especially in Nigeria where anything goes. Government knows how to target your business or whatsoever. Government knows how to, they can just lock up your business without excuse. They can say for the next 4 years you will not run. So those guys you see too, they are under pressure. Apart from making their money, they're under pressure. And it is not a must that Obi Cubana will work for Peter Obi. It's not a must. Note that. Or the rest of them. It's not a must that they work for Peter Obi. You understand? And Peter Obi know they're ready to share money. So they have to work for who they want to work to. It is their personal choices. But I'm telling you, I don't trust the movement. That is what I'm just trying to tell you. The guys have the right to work for whoever they want to work for. But say Southeast, go they included? Well. No, now their families go they included. Now their families they inside, not the Southeast. I can tell you, I can predict this government headed by Tinubu. I can give you prediction for the next 4 years. He will continue to side project in Yoruba land. He might not do anything for Southeast. I'm telling you, he might not do anything for Southeast. Not be people where we do. We don't watch their body language since. Something gonna happen for Kwara. And they kick people for Kwara. Somebody gonna point to Igbo people. You are our enemies. Okwu kan jifa akwo water. Happen da. Vote for who you want. Don't trust that we are inside. Don't be deceived by it. Vote for who you want to vote. If you want to vote for Tinubu, now you sabi. But don't say the inside will help Ndibo. Now lie. It cannot help us. I see it as a deception, properly wrapped deception. Meanwhile, those who are part of it will benefit from it. But benefiting the entire Igbo people, now lie. I see. They are laughing at us. But if you feel, oh, this is where we will, now you sabi, vote where you like. It is not about P2B, no. It's not about following P2B. It's about who will, to an extent, at least save this country for a while. At least for a while. Shebi una don't see the first 4 years almost gone. Next year, 4 years will be done. What will happen? Boro. I hear some people, they say, the economy is stabilizing. Stabilizing how? Tell us, please. As at the time you became president, dollar was around 650, 700. And it went to about 1.6. And now it's coming to 1.450. Somebody will come and tell you, the dollar is coming down. Where was it at when you became president? Including petrol, rice, all these food items. Somebody told me, can you see the system is working? Oga, where the system did when this guy became president? You guys should stop deceiving us. We are not fools. I'm out of here. Please don't fail to share this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye-bye for now.